Dr. Tice Hergert with Southlake Physical Medicine. I'm here with Hal. What have you experienced so far?
My mobility is better.
Mm-hmm.
I can move around better. I can climb stairs a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
I do more lifting than I never would have attempted before
Right.
that date. It's exceeded my expectations. The first time we did one injection for pain and discomfort, the improvement was immediate. But anybody that has hip or joint or back problems, this is a must stop.
Good.
So, no, this has been exceeded my expectations from start to finish. And when I met you two gentlemen, I knew this was the place to come.
Good.
And I had seen other places, but this was, you guys far exceed everybody else I've seen.
Well, we appreciate it. Thanks.
So-
Thanks for doing your part.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah. You showed up and got the treatment.
Oh, no, yeah, but like, this is a bargain. The money I have spent for these treatments in no way compensates you for what you guys have done for me.
Well, thank you.
So